Alright, this is going to be a short demo of the new collage feature in PicMonkey. Something they've been saying is coming for a while, and within the last couple days, so late part of May, it happened. Just click on Create a Collage. They give you some stock photo there, but you can upload your own photos. I'll just grab some old photos from some of the D12 Fusion events, and may not use them all, but I'll grab some here anyway, and you can open as many as you want, basically, and then it's just drag and drop. So I can drag and drop each photo into the spot where I may want it to go, but I can also change on the fly the layout. So maybe I want to lay out like that, maybe I want to lay out like this, go just a single row. Lots of choices on what you're going to do with that. Alright, so let me grab something like this. The other thing then is you can grab either the size, or you can just use the numbers at the bottom to change the dimensions here. So maybe you want something that's going to be an 8 by 10 dimension, so you can make it 800 by 1000 or close to it. But you have lots of options on those different things. And then the last item here, you can change the color of the background if you want to. We'll come back to that one. I'll put a color on there just so it's easier to see, but I'm going to go back here and drag and drop a few more of these photos. Alright, and depending on the size of the photo, you might have a little bit of room to play with it here as to where you get it in the particular area here, but sometimes it's kind of what you see is what you get. So I'm going to show you what you can do here, though. I'm going to take one of these photos, and I'm going to, instead of dropping it in that square, look what happens if I drop it in between. It actually creates a third, or it took what was one square and turned it into two. And then I could drag and drop this one into another spot there. So I can just kind of add new ones on the fly. Let me try something that would be a little unusual maybe, but I can drop this one in and create another one right there. Given these photos, that might not be my best choice, but you can see that that's pretty easy to do. Okay, so I can still change this on the fly. I can change the configuration of the shots like this. I can rotate it. If I decide I want it horizontal, notice that the pictures are still right side up, but I can change the location of these different squares along doing something like that. So let me go back here to the last item here, where you can change the color of the background and that sort of thing if you want to. But they also have the color picker, so if you click on that, you get the little eyedropper. So if you wanted to match a color that's in the particular photo somewhere, you can do so if you want to. Just click on that, and then it's going to give you the background. You can round the corners on the photos if you want to, a little or a lot, depending on what you want to do. Change the spacing that separates them, and when you're all done, you click save and save it to you have three choices of file size and quality of print, and you save it and you are done. So lots of options you can do with the collage feature in PicMonkey. Not Picnic, this is now PicMonkey.